This is ASUS ROG Phone 9, and today I'll show how you can record screen on this smartphone. So to start, swipe to the bottom from the right half of the status bar to launch the control center. Now look for the screen recorder, tile or shortcut, here it is, and tap on it to start the screen recording. Once you will, it is going to begin the 3-second countdown, which will result in the screen recording start here. In order to finish the screen recording, tap on this button here and press the stop recording button or icon, whatever. From here you can share, edit or delete your screen recording. And also, if you'll go into your device's settings, advanced options, and screen recorder, you'll find these settings, which you can also personalize and change. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.